spend one day where you really do not engage with a digital media platform at all for one day, but instead use the time that is freed up from that activity to spend time face to face, a long conversation with no agenda. And the conversation should not be a gripe about anybody else. It should be about real connection with each other's life. You pick the person in your life you want to have a conversation with, and listen in a space of connected contribution where you contribute not your speech, but your attention. Contribute your attention as a gift to that other person.